Let's talk about the set-tops a little bit, because that is, probably the biggest cost component when you're going digital. And like you said, once you have a legacy base out there, how are you guys supporting MPEG-4, for instance?
Right. Well, actually, we have a number of different, as far as our equipment goes, it doesn't really matter whether it's MPEG-2 or MPEG-4. We don't currently have an MPEG-4 encoder, so, but that's not a real issue because it's really primarily used for HD. So all of the other digital content that we get, we basically pass through. We can groom it or cherry pick the programs and encrypt it, but it really just passes through the head-end system to the set-top box. So really the changes really occur in the set-top box, and there you have a number of different choices. So our lowest cost set-top box, which has just your basic features, they're in the $60 range if in higher volumes. When I say higher volumes, like 5,000 pieces or so, and typically in smaller volumes they're in the $80 range. That particular box has just your basic cable in, a channel 3 modulator in it. It has S-video and composite video with stereo audio out. So it's kind of the entry-level box. We have another box that basically will do MPEG-2 and MPEG-4. So it'll actually downconvert HD MPEG-4 to digital SD. And that's in the $100 range. That's for people that don't want to go out and spend a lot of money for a new LCD TV. They just want to kind of be able to use their existing equipment that they have in the house. We also have an MPEG-2, MPEG-4 high def box, set-top box that has HDMI, RGB, composite video, and the whole gamut of outputs that you would normally have. And then there's two digital video recorder set-top boxes, and those digital recorder boxes have twin tuners and 160 gigabyte hard drives, and there's a standard def version and also a high def version, and they're generally about $100 cheaper than the current offerings by other companies.